Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Apple. Yeah, I'm talking about the big corporation called Apple that have the iPhones and the iPads and things. I'm going to show you how you can get with them and have them pay you an average salary of $20 per hour, and it can reach as high as $57 per hour, and it's all for free. Okay, all you got to do is apply. Right, so if you're interested in seeing this, how you can become a part of the Apple family and get paid an average salary of $20 per hour and higher, then you want to stick around and see this video, because we're getting ready to get started on it here right now. But first, for those of you that are new to my videos and this is your first time, well, consider subscribing to the channel anytime during the video. Just reach down there below the video and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right next to it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on my channel for you guys, as I come out with all kinds of ways to try to help bring more time and financial freedom into your lives with each and every money-making video that I put out on this channel for you guys. Okay, also anytime during this video, if you feel like it and you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Click that thumbs up button for me if you would. I sure appreciate it. Thanks guys. Alright, let's go on ahead and get started on this. You notice what came over here to google.com, you see here, and up here in the search engine I typed in Apple Home Advisor right here. You see that? And it came up with this right here. And this is also, they have it all over the world. This is for Australia here. But I scrolled down and I looked at some of these other links down here, and I clicked on one or two of these. But I wanted to show you right here. It says right here, people ask, you know, how much do Apple at-home advisors make? This is a employment opportunity with the big Apple Corporation, and they're going to pay you to work right from your home. And not only that, they got a whole lot of other benefits that we'll talk about here in this video, so stick around. But look right here. You can see it says the typical Apple at-home advisor salary is $20 per hour and can reach up as high as $57 per hour, guys. That's big money. That's some pretty good big money to work with Apple right from the comfort of your own home, and they got some great benefits I'm anxious to show you about here as well. So click on any of these links or whatever, but I clicked on one of those and it brought us over here. Now this is Glassdoor right here, because Glassdoor is sort of like Trustpilot, a place where people can come and leave information about what they liked about whatever particular job they're doing. Glassdoor is a site that people come and post about their job, whether they like it or not, and the benefits and all the different things about it. Well, if we look right here, Apple at-home advisor hourly pay, and then like I showed you, it's $20 an hour base pay average. That's really good, and can go up to as high as $57 per hour. And then if we scroll down here, we can see that they have some really good benefits right here. People talking about this. There's several comments on this. They have the employee discount, an amazing discount of over $50 off, 50% off. So, you know, if you're going to buy an Apple iPhone that costs $1,000, well, it's not going to cost you that. It's only going to cost you $500. Everybody else will have to pay the $1,000. So that's a really good benefit right there. They do have full health insurance. It says right here, their health insurance is incredible. They give it for so cheap, they say here. And they have a 401k plan as well as other benefits that you can see right here. And I'm not going to go ahead and click on that. I'll let you guys read about all the really cool benefits here, because there's some other things I'm going to show you about this particular employment opportunity here, benefit. So if we come over here to this, when I clicked also another one of the links over here on Google, it brought me over here to this right here, careers at Apple, guys. And the frequently asked questions are really good here. Let's listen to this. We'll go through these. It says here, what is an Apple at-home advisor? The at-home advisor position is a part of Apple Support, the group that provides customer service, troubleshooting, and technical support to Apple customers by phone, chat, or email. This job gives you an opportunity to be a part of this team while you work from home. Alrighty? It says, what does an at-home advisor do? At-home advisors are responsible for answering customers' questions over the phone or via chat about Apple products, services, and etc. So if you have experience with Apple products, I mean, if you use Apple computers and Apple iPhone, then you obviously have some experience, so you fit right in quickly with this, including both software and hardware. It says here. It says, what are some of the specific products they support? Well, we know it's all of Apple stuff: Apple Watch, phone, iPod, iPad, Apple TV, and their computers, and so on and so forth. It says, if hired as an at-home advisor, would I be employed directly by Apple? And the answer to that is yes. This is employment, guys. This is not a just work from home or whatever job, like a work from home job that anybody can do. This is actual employment here. You'd be becoming an employee of the Apple Corporation. So yes, both part-time and full-time at-home advisors are Apple employees. It says, how much would I be paid? It says, you'll learn more about pay and benefits during the recruiting process. Well, we already talked about that. We already know that it's going to anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $57 an hour on average. And it can start like at 11, I guess, depending on your technical knowledge and that kind of thing. But nonetheless, you can get all the way up to $57 an hour, and that's pretty good money, guys. Anyway, so it says, does Apple provide employee benefits? It says yes. All Apple at-home advisors, both part-time and full-time employees, receive a robust benefits package, including product discounts and paid vacation, paid time away here, guys. And it says here, what are the requirements for a home office? You'll work where you live, so you must have a private, quiet, distraction-free room with a door that can close to keep out ambient noise. You must have or be willing to get a desk, an ergonomic chair, and a hardwired high-speed internet connection from a reliable provider. And this connection must maintain a consistent speed of 10 megs download, 3 megs upload, and with a low latency on your connected with their Apple VPN. I think everybody today, most internet service providers today, where it's way over 10 megs download, so you shouldn't have any problems with that at all. It says, would I be reimbursed for my internet service? Check this out. Yes, we'll provide reimbursements up to an amount we'll discuss during the recruiting process. So they're going to pay you for your internet service that you have to pay for every month. They're going to pay you for that. That's a really good benefit right there. Your internet essentially could become free to you. Okay, could become free or have a definite break off of the total price that you used to pay every month anyway, right? It says here, would I have to purchase my own computer and phone? The answer is no. They will. It says we'll provide an iMac and a headset to be used exclusively for your advisor work. So they're going to give you a computer and a headset. That's really good benefit. Does Apple provide training for the position? That answer is yes. Training typically lasts up to 9 weeks, and the content is delivered through a virtual online program led by a live instructor. The topics covered include Apple product lessons, advanced troubleshooting, and job-specific tools and processes. Most importantly, you'll learn Apple's unique approach to customer service. And so that's really good. They're going to even teach you. So that just tells you that you don't have to come into this with any experience at all. However, like I said earlier, if you like Apple products and you use Apple products, then more than likely you're going to already have some pretty good experience coming into this. And that's something you definitely would want to tell them, but they're probably going to ask you anyway. So that's a good thing. It says, where would I train and work? It says you'll train and work in your home office using the iMac we provide as your role as an at-home advisor. Do I need any prior Mac experience? And they say, well, it helps to have some experience with the Mac and Apple mobile devices like iPhone and iPad. But if you have experience working on and troubleshooting other operating systems such as Windows, and you're willing to commit to training on the Mac, you could be a good candidate for this program. Yeah, so if you like technology, I mean, you like working with iPhones and iPads and all Macintosh computers and products, well, you're already a foot in the door here. You're already good to go there. In the training, it might be, even the training will be just probably easier for you, just tacking on to the knowledge that you already have. Kinds of hours would I be expected to work? Says you'll work during normal Apple support hours, and shifts vary on based on business needs. And it says you may be asked to work additional hours during holidays, peak business hours, and training. You guys can read if you want. And how do I know if I'm a good candidate for the job? Ideal candidate has a passion for working with technology and helping people. And then so on and so forth. And it's right here. If you want to apply for it, it comes down here at the bottom of this page. I'm going to give you the link for this page. It's apple.com right up here. Careers Advisor right up here in the address bar, guys. You see that? Apple.com Careers AU. Well, this is the Australia one, but there's also the same thing for English, or I mean for America too. Or guys, this can be done from anywhere in the world. This is from all over the world that you can work for Apple right from home. So, but yeah, this link right up here, I'll put it right here on the screen for you too. But you come over here to this page through the frequently asked questions, and then you click right here, search for available jobs. And when you do that, that brings you over here to this page here, Careers at Apple. And if you notice, I typed in right here in this little search engine, guys, work from home advisor. And you can see there's 600 results came up here. I mean, they've got it all the way down through here, guys. It's just a whole bunch of stuff. Even if you are an engineer, you can also work from home as an engineer for this company as well. I mean, there's all kinds of things that you could probably qualify for possibly and get in here. But the work at home advisor customer service is what I'm particularly talking to you right now about. It's the customer service. But they have many others down through here too. So, I mean, a home application engineer and so on and so forth. And it's got like 420 more pages of this, guys. I'm not going to go through all that, but definitely wanted to turn you guys onto this. It's the at-home, work-from-home advisor with Apple. Just come to google.com, type in Apple Home Advisor, and you can probably get a job with Apple making a certain $20 per hour and could possibly be, well, way more than that. Guys, I'll leave the link also in the, and also this one here as well. I'm going to put it in the video too. You've probably already seen it. So, but nonetheless, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, that you can get a job with Apple and be making at least $20 per hour on here. And it says they have very high confidence on Glassdoor here by a lot of the employees and people that have worked with Apple. So you can check that out as well. And guys, that's what I wanted to show you. If you like this video and got some value out of it, well, certainly give me a thumbs up if you would. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there if you haven't done it yet, and click that little notification bell that's right beside it. And if you got any comments or questions about the video, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you that as soon as I can, okay? Also, if you want to learn the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, well, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and learn from a free video the formula of high-ticket marketing, so you can be high-ticket affiliate marketer, be making thousands of dollars in one day's possibility. Okay? Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.